Welcome. This is how to vacuum the pool using the pump filter system with me, Rich, at the Claddagh Motel. This is how we do it here at our motel. So first things first, so you're going to hook up the vacuum attachment. It's kind of homemade. Hook up this vacuum attachment to this T-valve down here and leave it, don't move it yet. Leave it into the pool position. And then we're going to attach this hose, it's like 50 feet or something, to this. And next, we're going to come down here with the garden hose. So we're going to use and fill the hose up with water to get as much air out as we can before we switch the valve. So I'll add some water. Now, after putting a lot of water in it to weigh it down, it still pops up in a couple areas. We're going to hook it up to the vacuum, put the vacuum in, water, and then switch the valve and prime it. Still hooked up good there. Come under here. And we'll go right from. I'm going to turn it this way. If you don't want to flip it to the close on the pump, so this way. In line with this, the vacuum. Now you see we lost time. We can let some air out right here on the back on the fill the area up. Well, just switch it off. Wait till you hear some water run back into the pump to fill that cavity there. And put it on. And you start to hear water running through the pipe now. Now, there we go. There we go. Now we got water climbing into it. Trying to air out any. Turns it. Tighten that valve back up. And just probably looks like it's going to be going. You can hear it starting to do it. Water running back through the pipes, and you can see it's starting to exit again. The outlet valve. Yep. So now we know our vacuum is back in order because it's pushing out. The outlet's pushing out over there. They're not sucking from the skimmers no more. So, and also anything you had in the skimmers will float up if you didn't get it out. But that's how you get it going, and after that it's pretty much just the reversal, you know. You just basically switch it off, and then you just basically switch this valve off, and then you can disconnect the vacuum and everything. And then it's a good idea to shut it down, pull that lid, get all the junk out of there, and then start it back up again, and then backwash the filter, and then that's it. Thank you. And now I just wanted to show how well this thing sucks. It is quite efficient at vacuuming, and it's got the power of the pump. So, and you know, all this stuff, anything that's too big will get stuck in the basket, and anything that goes past the basket would go into the sand filter, which would get backwashed out. So, pretty good system. That's all. And thank you for watching the video.